Rizal is now a mandatory course of all college students. But why we must taking this course? Is this still relevant to our generation? Why we still studying it if we tackle it in elementary and high school day? I am Lian Isla, a student from Philippine Christian University, taking the program of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Math. And I'm interviewing some known people of mine. The first person I interview is my sister who studying in PNTC. So, in our course title, do you have any idea about the life and works of Rizal?
I think from what you said, it's all about the life.
Wait ka lang, pwede Tagalog!
Wait lang. So, based sa pagkakasabi mo, so tinutukoy nung first subject na to yung work ni Rizal or yung life niya before he made the revolution or before the revolution sparks.
Do you think it is dominant that we should study the importance of Rizal course today's generation? Or in Tagalog, mahalaga pa bang pag-aralan ang buhay at gawain niyong si Rizal sa panahon ngayon?
Para sa akin, although this will spark some arguments dahil Rizal is our national hero, for me as a modern Filipino woman, hindi na siya, I don't think na malaki pa yung impact niya on our today's society. So, I guess, irrelevant na siya kung titingnan.
Yan lang. I'm interviewing one of my friends, Miss Edsel Gumba, a psychology student from Colegio Nonungsod ng Dasmariñas or KLB. So, in our course title, do you have any idea about the life and work of Rizal?
So, I think one of my idea in this course na ito is yung nagawa niyang works like yung novel. Yan na No Limitang Here and Infiniturismo. And also kung paano siya nabuhay sa panahong mga Kastila na sumakop sa atin. At paano niya napagtanaw na posible palang magkaroon ng kalayaan ang bawat Pilipino.
Okay. So, since sinabi mo na next semester niyo pa makukuha yung subject na to, do you think it is dominant that we should study the importance of Rizal course in today's generation? Or in Tagalog, mahalaga pa bang pag-aralan ang buhay at gawain ng si Rizal sa panahon ngayon?
I think mahalagang pag-aaralan ito lalo na sa mga kabataan ngayon. Bakit? Kasi nalilimutan na natin kung paano na pinaglaban ng ating bansa sa mga Espanyol at mahalaga rin natin alamin ang mga nobela niyang ginawa na inahalin tulad sa totoong buhay ng mga Pilipino. Tulad na lang ng mga palabas sa teleserye ng GMA na Maria Clara at Ibarra na tulad sa mismong libro ni Rizal na No Limitang Here. Sa gantong paraan, binibigyan natin buhay ang mga gawain ni Rizal upang tumatak sa ating isipan kung gaano niya nalaan ang kanyang kaalaman at katapangan. Ayun lang.
So, I think one of my idea sa course na to, yung subject na tong life and work of Rizal, is like para maalam natin kung ano yung mga ginawa ni Rizal nung nabubuhay pa siya. Mga nangyari sa buhay ni Rizal, like yung pagsakop ng mga Espanyol, pagkuha ng mga Espanyol sa kanya, siguro mga ganon yung mga maaaring itakil natin sa course na to. And paano to naihahantulad sa atin, lalo na sa generation natin. I think mahalaga siya siguro sa mga kabataan ngayon. But if we might see more students are acknowledging themselves in modern way, masyado nang malawak yung mindset ng mga kabataan ngayon, lalo na may mga issue nangyayari. Paano na lang kung hindi nila alamin kung ano yung past na nangyari, 'di ba? Pero sa tingin ko, nasa dalawang option tayo. Kasi ang buhay ni Rizal ay nasa past na. And tayo ay future generation. So bakit pa natin yun kailangan pag-aralan? I mean, mahalaga naman na aralin yon dahil isa yun sa mga natatanging history ng Pilipinas. Pero I think kung ipapasok natin siya as a college student, malayo na siya para sa atin. Kasi ang pag-aaralan natin ay kung paano na tayo mabubuhay. Pwede natin siyang ipasok sa mga kabataang lalo na nasa elementary and high school. Kasi bukas pa ang pag-iisip nila. Maaari pa nilang intindihin kung ano yung ginawa ni Jose Rizal nung nabubuhay pa siya, kung anong mga written works ng mga nobela ni Rizal. Maaari pang pumasok yun sa isipan nila. Pero tayong nasa kolehiyo na, ang utak natin ay napaka-open na at bunga na ng realidad. Kaya I think nasa dalawang option tayo. Yun lamang.
Based on my interview, I learned that people have mixed opinions about studying Rizal. Some of them strongly believe that it is important to continue learning about him. They said Rizal was not just a hero, but also a role model who valued education, freedom, and responsibility. They explained that his sacrifice shaped the Philippines we know today, and without understanding his story, we might take our freedom and independence for granted. For those people, studying Rizal is a way of honoring the struggle of the past and carrying the values he left behind. On the other hand, there were also people who felt that studying Rizal is not very relevant anymore. They shared that today's generation is more focused on technology, modern careers, and global problems that are very different from Rizal's time. Some said that learning about him feels like memorizing history instead of dealing with real life challenges we face now. For them, it would be better if students focus more on skills and knowledge that can directly help in their lives today. Listening to both sides, I realized that their points are valid. Rizal may belong to the past, but his values like bravery, critical thinking, and patriotism are timeless. The problem is not about whether Rizal matters, but about how we study Rizal. About how we study him, we if we only memorize dates and events, of course it will feel boring and irrelevant. But if we connect his works and lessons to our generation, then we can see how his ideas can still inspire us in our struggles, whether in education, social issues, or personal growth. Um, that is why for me, Rizal is still worth studying. The interviews made me see that even though not everyone agrees, his life and works still have lessons we can use today. Rizal shows us that one person, through knowledge and courage, can make a difference. I believe that remembering Rizal is not just about the past, but about finding inspiration to face the present and the future. His values may guide us become responsible, educated, and courageous citizens, just like what our country still needs today. That's all. Thank you.